That was better. That is definitely a cool thing. Almost there, man. Not gonna lie, it's really hot. Water, fast, but if I don't find it, I'll probably die. Super hot, 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, it's hot, it's all good. I need to get to the Unit 13 shop, test out some weapons, you know, some pistols I have in mind.
It is Unit 13. It's a shop in Zeeland, in the Netherlands. You can order it online. We send it to a lot of different countries. We just moved from the Belgium, opened in Belgium 9 years ago, I believe.
Okay guys, let's get right into it. This is the ASG Marushin Derringer Chrome. It is a gas-powered 2-round capacity, single-action pistol. The FPS is around 240 as we tested it, however it has a fixed hop-up and the BBs tend to fly up. I'm pretty sure you can fix that by using heavier BBs. Overall, this weapon is really a lot of fun. It's one of those sneaky pirate weapons. So we did a few test shots so you guys can see how this beautiful weapon performs.
It's the most fun weapon to shoot with.
Yeah, I saw it and I was like, if you kill someone with that, you're gonna feel good. This beast. Oh well, that actually is that's gonna hurt, man.
Yep. That's one at a time.
This is the beast. It's the weapon of our dreams. That was too high? Aim low. That was better. That is definitely a cool thing. Might save your life one day in a game. Let's test this. Oh wow, 240. Alright, I'll go through. But that was 240. Okay guys, that's it for today. You should definitely check out the ASG Derringer pistol. Its price is around 70 euros and it's a lot of fun. The Unit 13 was a great experience with awesome people. I also have more weapon reviews coming up. Until then, Skillshot out.